Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of, what is this, August? Yeah, an August Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. It's all makeup products, full size. You get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products and they all retail for over $100. And the price of the box is $21, so I think it's completely worth it. In my opinion, Boxycharm is the best subscription box out there. I wouldn't spend my money on any other subscription box, but this one, totally worth your money. And they do have a Boxy Luxe that is every 3 months, because the regular Boxycharm is every month and you pay the $21 every month. But if you want to do the Boxy Luxe, it's I think it's like 11 full-size products or something like that, and it retails to be over 200 or 300. It's some big number. Like it's definitely more than the box is worth. But if you sign up for Boxycharm, you're not obligated to do Boxy Luxe. That's just if you want that extra. But I think Boxycharm on its own is amazing. This month's box I already picked inside, so I would know what I needed to do with my face, because this is going to be a try on. And they always come with a theme in the box, and this month's theme is totally Boxycharm, and it has a list of everything on the back, and it tells you how much everything retails for. And the stuff I got in this month's box is pretty random as far as how I would apply it to my face, so we're gonna be jumping around a lot. Okay, so let's just get into it. The first item in the box is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this is going to be used as a primer. It says it retails for $42. Wow, $42 for this. I would not pay $42 for this, for a glowy primer. I don't know, I haven't tested it yet. I don't know how amazing it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not $42 great. But the fact that you get it in your Boxycharm and you only pay $21 and you get all these other products is amazing. It says it's going to absorb into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. We'll see about that. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on. Ooh, it comes out pink. I know you can't see it. I might insert a swatch, I don't know. But it's like a little pink shimmer. It smells kind of like deodorant. Okay. It did absorb kind of immediately. Like normally you have to wait for a primer to kind of settle into your skin a little bit, but it did absorb kind of quickly. It has like the tiniest bit of tackiness. Like I wouldn't even classify it as tacky, but I kind of feel it a little bit. And my skin does look really glowy. Not like wet glowy, but it has that natural kind of glow from within kind of thing. And I do feel more hydrated than I did before I put this on. I did already have on moisturizer, but this made my skin feel just slightly bit better. I don't know how it would do as far as keeping my foundation on for a long time, because it is a glowy, like an oil type deal, but I like it. So the next product in the box is a face powder. I need to put on my concealer. I'm not going to do any foundation today. I'm just going to do concealer all over my face, and I'm going to use my Flower Beauty Light Illusion. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back to test the powder. So I've got my concealer on all over my face, and I realized when I was looking up close in the mirror doing my concealer that I still have bronzer stamped into my hairline from yesterday, but we're not going to talk about that. The next thing in the box is this Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And this is the powder. It's supposed to feel wet when you touch it. I don't know. I've just heard a lot of people talking about how it feels like it's water. So I'm excited to try this out. The packaging is super pretty, but instantly I take it out of the box and I've got my fingerprints all over it. It retails for $39. Wow. This is an expensive powder. Who's paying this much for, okay, I guess a lot of you guys are paying this much for powder, but still, it's expensive. You open it up and it has a little sticker on it. It says, keep me closed to keep me cool. And I have short nails, so everything's difficult to take off. I always have to peel little stickers like this off with my tweezers because my nails are so short. I can't ever get anything. Am I doing this right? There's no way I'm peeling the sticker off wrong. Oh, I figured it out. So after I spent like 5 minutes trying to peel the sticker off, I realized I didn't even need to peel the sticker off. It's literally a pop top. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I feel so dumb right now. And then there's this little typical tab thing that you just kind of peel off. That's what I was trying to go for. Oh my gosh, today, man. I knew today was going to be a day when I woke up by, you know how I woke up this morning? I woke up because a gnat flew into my nose. What is that? Like, that was a clear premonition of the day because I woke up startled, clearly, because I didn't know what was going on and I couldn't breathe. It was a very dramatic wake up for me this morning, and then literally as soon as I shot up, startled and like, what's going on, my dog throws up in the floor. Good morning. Okay. You guys didn't need to know any of that, but I peeled the sticker off. That was super easy. Oh, I can't wait to feel this powder. I'm gonna touch it. Okay, that, it feels like powder. Maybe I need to put it on my face, but I'm not feeling the wetness of it. Maybe it's just a matter of opinion, but this is supposed to be like a Hydra-Mist powder. Like, I don't feel like everybody else was making it up when they said it was wet. Why doesn't mine feel wet? It feels like a powder. Am I just crazy, or it's because I'm pregnant? Like, my whole world is upside down because I'm pregnant. Okay, well, I guess I kind of feel it a little bit, but if I didn't know what the powder was, I wouldn't think that it was a wet powder. And it's not a wet powder, but you know what I mean. Okay, enough of that. We're finally gonna try this bitch. Ooh, it has a little net. I like that. It's so much easier than trying to dump it out through the little holes. I'm just gonna get some on my brush. Whoa, there it is. There it is. There's the wet feeling. I needed to apply that bitch to my face. Uh-huh. Whoa. This really feels like water. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I guess it's because I was disappointed like a second ago, but I should have waited. I'm so impatient. I'm a Virgo. Perfection needs to be immediately. But I'm also a Libra moon sign, and it kind of contradicts itself because the Virgo in me wants to be like, it has to be done this way. And the Libra in me is like, whatever, man. Life is hard. Okay, so I'm not going to set my eyelids because we have some eyeshadow in the box. But I will set my forehead that likes to crease. This is my trouble spot. This feels nice. Ooh. Yeah, it feels like my brush is wet. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna shut it now and tell you what my face looks like. Yeah, this is a really nice powder. I don't know as far as how it would make my makeup last and, you know, not let my lines crease or whatever, but everything looks really blurred and smooth. It blurred some of my pores. My under eyes don't look crepey, which is like the main thing that I look at. I really like how my skin looks with this powder on. So yeah, hell yeah, I'm really excited about this actually because I have been needing some new face powders. I was gonna go to the drugstore and kind of see what's new. I don't know, I haven't heard of any face powders new at the drugstore, but I think this is probably gonna be one of my favorite products in the box this month. So the next products in the box are eye products and lip products. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back and we're gonna zoom you in so we can start on the eyes. Okay, so my face is done. In case you're wondering, I use my L'Oreal Bronze Please in the shade Latte. I'm gonna be talking about this in an upcoming video. I used my Colourpop highlight in the shade, I think this is Here Kitty Kitty or something like that. And I use my Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio in Fairlight. I will list all these things in the description box below in case you don't want to come back and visit the video just to figure out what makeup was on my face. I also use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I haven't used this in a really long time, but I'm trying to use it up. So, okay, moving on. The next things in the box are these Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duos, and they're like this. At first, okay, I gotta move my hand out of the way so you can see it. But at first when I saw these, I legit thought they were Colourpop. I think a lot of other people did too, because this looks just like the Colourpop Super Shock shadows. They feel slightly different, but I've already swatched them. But it feels a little bit more wet. It looks more wet too than the Colourpop Super Shocks. I'll insert some swatches so you can see them up close. But also, I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna do like the most simple eye look ever. Oh yeah, and these also retail for $25. I think it's $25 as a pair because it says Shadow Duo, but I don't think it's $25 each. It's just gotta be together. And Ace Beauty has been in Boxycharm before. I actually have one of their palettes that's one of my favorite palettes. Well, it's one of my favorite palettes that's not Colourpop, because Colourpop I would say is probably my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette brand. But Ace Beauty, that palette that came in that Boxycharm one time, I'll insert a picture right here because I don't want to dig it out right now, but that one is a really, really nice palette, so I have high hopes for these. I think this is a decent enough close-up. I didn't even tell you what shades I got because there were variations of this. Other people got different shades, but I got the shade Cotton Candy and this is Iced Latte. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger and pat them in and kind of blend it out with a brush, and that's gonna be that. I'm going to keep you guys zoomed in because the next product in the box is a mascara, but I just wanted to talk about these real quick. There is a lot of glitter in these, so if that bothers you, you might not like them because I kind of have glitter everywhere right now. But I wasn't sure how I was going to do this because it's like two colorful shades and I didn't have anything else to really work with. That's why I did bronzer in the crease before I started this. But I think it looks really pretty. It's something that you can just tap on and kind of just be done and go about your day with. An eyeshadow look doesn't always have to be super elaborate, and I actually like it a whole lot more than I thought I would. I think it's really, really pretty. So while we're here, the next thing in the box is this Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and this retails for $23. I've never heard of this mascara before. I don't know if it's new or if it's just in the boxy to be in the boxy, but I'm excited for it. It was either this or some people got a serum, and I couldn't decide between each one, so I'm really excited for a new mascara. Ooh, I really love this hot pink packaging. This is really pretty. And let's see what the wand looks like. Wow, this is a really big wand actually. Before I go in with this mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes real quick. Oh, I have to mention, I don't know how much this thing retails for, but this eyelash curler is one that I also got in a Boxycharm. I don't know how many months ago. It wasn't that long ago, but it's a Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler, and I got it in a Boxycharm. Boxycharm's the shit, man. The mascara's on. I don't know how much of that wasn't blurry, so I'm sorry if the majority of it was blurry. My camera has a hard time focusing for some reason. I smeared it underneath my eye right here, and I'm gonna have to wait till it dries to go in and scrape that off. And I got a little bit on my eyeshadow, but it's not really noticeable. But I will say this is not my favorite mascara, like right off the bat. I will be reaching for this again because like it's a mascara. What can I say? I think you would like this for if you like lengthening mascaras. I'm someone who really likes really volumizing mascaras. I don't need lengthening so much because my eyelashes are really long on their own, but it's still pretty. I would wear it again. So I don't think it claims one way or the other to be volumizing or lengthening. I don't think it picks a side on here, but it does say it claims to have a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I would just assume volumizing, and that's not what I got, but it's still a pretty mascara. And I don't know if I already said this or not, but it retails for $23. Okay, I guess we're doing the rest of this close up because the last thing in the box is this Steve Laurant lip liner, and I got mine in the shade Vogue, which is kind of a berryish shade. So this is really gonna look strange with this eye look for sure. I would definitely not pair this lip color with this eye look, but I'm gonna do it anyway for the sake of the video. And it retails for $15, and it's a wooden lip liner. So let's see. So the color's not as dark as I anticipated, but I still wouldn't pair it with this eye look either way. I don't think I like this. Like, there are some wooden lip liners that I do like, but this one was really hard to apply. I didn't get it very even, and I had to clean it up just a little bit because it was like tugging, and it was really hard. Like, I have dry lips anyway, but I made sure that I exfoliated and moisturized before I did this video. So it should have been a little bit easier to apply, but it was still really difficult. It took a minute of tugging, but I feel like this lip liner right here that's maybe on the drier side would probably be good to pair with underneath a lipstick or something that you would maybe want to last a little bit longer. I find that when I want my lipsticks to last a little bit longer, I always use a more dry lip liner underneath, and that way I'm not killing my lips with a liquid lipstick. Just to make this a little bit more cohesive, I'm going to go in with this Cokie lip veneer, and I'm not sure what shade this is. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure on the shade, but I'll put it in the description box below. So we're zoomed back out, and that's it. That's all of the products that are in the box this month. I went ahead and added up the total for the entire box, and it retails for $144 for everything in the box, and that's crazy because they say that it's always going to be over $100, but that's like almost $50 more than over $100, so that's a lot of money. And you're only paying $21 for the whole box for 4 to 5 full-size products. So if you want to check out Boxycharm, I'll leave the link in the description box below, but I think it's totally worth it. Out of all the subscription box out there, Boxycharm is definitely the way to go. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, if you like these Boxycharm videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month, because there were some really good variations. Like, I couldn't decide what I wanted. Oh yeah, and also leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me. I'm always up for ideas. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, I'll leave those handles in the description box below. And everything on my face is going to be in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm Anna. My mommy is behind the scenes. You may recognize this place before, but that's because my mommy is the YouTuber.
You ready to try out some magic powder?
Yeah.
All right, where do you want it?
On my hand.
Hold your hand up.
Oh my gosh.
What does it feel like?
It feels like water.
Does it really?
But it also looks like my hairs on my arm are white and I'm old.
It's because it's powder, but it felt wet, right?
Yeah.
Was it super cool?
Yeah, like, I could prank my friends with that.
No. Oh, I can't breathe. Every time I say I can't breathe, I always think of Eddie Murphy from Shrek. I can't breathe. Youthful, you bitch. Come on. Okay. I know how to keep. I was just like, okay, bitch. You bitch, you better focus. Focus. It delivers a fully loaded flood. I'll put it in the description.